I'm HVAC repair guy with 17 years in the field and a background as a nuclear electrician. I evaluate portable air conditioners from a practical maintenance perspective. Today we are comparing the Newair AC-141DDH and the Black+Decker BPACT10WT. The primary technical distinction is functional versatility versus compressor coverage and operating noise. Both units use a single hose configuration. Single-hose portable air conditioners pull conditioned air from the room to cool the internal condenser coil and push hot air outside. This creates negative pressure that pulls unconditioned humid outdoor air back into the home through gaps and seals. As a result, single-hose designs are inherently less efficient than dual-hose setups and force the compressor to cycle longer. Both rely on traditional single-speed, single-stage compressors. When the thermostat calls for cooling, a single-speed compressor kicks on at maximum power until the set point is reached, then shuts off. This basic cycling causes wider room temperature swings and higher inrush current spikes compared to inverter compressors. The Black+Decker is rated with an energy efficiency ratio of 7.8. The Newair AC-141DDH does not publish a standardized EER rating. Higher EER numbers mean more cooling capacity per watt consumed. Running an unrated or lower efficiency single-speed unit during peak summer will increase your electric bill. Noise levels affect room usability, with the Black+Decker rated at 51 decibels and the Newair at 57 decibels. Because decibels are logarithmic, a 6 decibel jump represents a noticeable increase in sound pressure. Higher sound output in a bedroom or home office can disrupt sleep and daily tasks. Neither model includes integrated wireless network capability or smart home app integrations. Controls rely on standard digital panels and handheld infrared remotes, which reduces software failure points. Warranty coverage shows a major long-term difference between the two models. The Newair provides a basic 1-year warranty covering the entire system, including the sealed circuit. Black+Decker provides 1 year of general component coverage and 5 years of compressor protection. 4 extra years of compressor coverage offers substantial financial security because the compressor is the most expensive mechanical part. On the retail market, the Newair costs about $699.99, largely due to its secondary heat pump functionality. The Black+Decker retails around $400.99 for a cooling-only model. My recommendation is the Black+Decker BPACT10WT. Unless year-round supplemental heating is absolutely required, spending an extra $300 on the Newair is hard to justify. The Black+Decker offers lower sound ratings, a washable filter, a published efficiency rating, and 5-year compressor coverage at a lower purchase price.